Welcome to Ida's video channel. In this video, I will show you how to display alignment instead of pipes in plan, because if you have some structure, like say junction nodes, which you don't display in plan, then the line type doesn't look right. And if you have a more pipes, it might look very ugly. So some clients, they prefer to display alignment instead of pipes. I'm going to Layer Manager, Filters, then I go to Water Filter, and I will turn off Pipe Centerline in plan. Then I go to all layers, and then I close this manager because I want to be able to see all the layers. So this is the result. I have an alignment for pipe network which displays just the tensions because I turned off other components, but I can go to Edit Alignment Style, and then under the Display tab in plan I can turn on those three components: line, curve, and spiral. Although we don't have any spiral, let me click OK, and this is the result. If I go to plan, and currently this layout has a IDA.CTB file set up, you can see that the alignment prints as blue, and if you don't want that, then you need to change the color. So I'm going back to model space, and if you know IDA.CTB file a bit, you know that color number 1 has a line thickness 0.18, number 2 0.25, number 3 0.35, and number 4 0.5. So if you want thicker line, then you may consider to use either green or cyan line. I will use cyan in this exercise. So let me select alignment, then I go to Edit Alignment Style, and I will change the color for those three components to cyan. Then I click OK, and then I go back to plan to see if the result looks right. But it doesn't look right. It's because of the paper space line type scale. So let me set it to 0, PS LT scale. Then I set the value to 0. I will click inside the model space, I regenerate, and that looks definitely better. Let me go back to paper space and let me zoom out. So this looks quite good, but what I don't like is that the alignments overlap the structure style. So what I will do, I will turn on masking for structures. I'm going to Layer Manager again, then I go to Water, and I will display masking in plan. If I want to, I can display masking in profile as well. Then I close the Layer Manager, and this is the result. Of course, you can always use a display order, bring to front, or send alignment back. If I go to plan, let me zoom in, and this looks definitely better. If I zoom to the other places, it looks nice and clean, and the line type is properly generated along the alignment.